and April is a teacher.
Last spring, teacher April Clark had an idea of putting on a live concert.
Today, we have an unbelievably awesome guest. Her name is April Clark, and she is a co-founder to an organization called Reach and Teach.
Teachers are struggling to give up control of their classroom. That's right. Teachers need to give up control of their classroom. Unfortunately, this is not something that you're going to find in a traditional classroom. Yes, project-based learning is a hot trend in education right now, but most projects in the classroom are hypothetical. And it does allow students to make real decisions, but there's no real consequences or rewards. Knowledge is important, but so is teamwork, communication, networking, and problem-solving skills. And these soft skills, they can't be learned from a textbook or assessed on a multiple choice test. Allowing students to explore opportunities to find their passion and build their confidence. Opportunities for students to step outside of their comfort zone and explore a path they never knew existed. Opportunities to use their creativity and show off their talents. But most importantly, opportunities for them to thrive in their own skin. I think it's time we need new leaders in education, but not politicians, not administrators, not even teachers. I firmly believe that we need to allow students to become leaders of their own education. Thank you.